Good morning, everyone. Finally, hi, I guess. Sorry for the super late update. But there's been a lot of things going on, and I haven't found the time to do some editing. We've just been really busy in the meantime, so sorry for that. But finally, we're here. So, an update, although maybe a little bit outdated, but you'll catch up in no time, I'm sure. Well, there were a lot of things going on. I did try to keep filming everything, so I do have this video diary to share with you, as always. So we're gonna go through all that content so you can see what happened in the meantime. As you can probably hear, one of the problems that I had, and I think I addressed this previously as well, is my camera and also my microphone. So that is a pretty essential part of making these things, making these videos. And well, the video quality is less. I had to use different applications and lenses, etc. So I'm not used to that. So you can see a difference in quality, I'm sure. I am working on that to get it back up to where I want it to be. But for the meantime, this is what we have, and it does convey the story. Maybe not as well, but good enough, I guess. Audio, though, that is a big problem, and yeah, this is what we have for now.
So I'm sowing some beans this year. I want to put a lot of beans on the ground to see if I can make that work. So what I'm doing is putting in a lot of beans. So we got different types of beans, obviously, and also second generation beans. So this year, in addition to the ones that we had from last year, I have the second generation beans, which are just the lead beans from last year, which I didn't eat, which are basically all of them. So I'm gonna sow these as well, and then we have second generation stuff going. So that's nice.
So I'm sure it's gonna take a little getting used to not hearing anything, the buzzing, or well, maybe it's a good thing you don't hear the highway, so that's good. So the point is, there are some visual and audio problems, but I'm working on them. So hanging tight. weather is so beautiful today, we're gonna work a little bit in the garden, which means we're gonna clear out some of these old and dead trees on this side to make room for some fruit trees that we have, you know, had there for the longest time, which are still there in these buckets. So we're gonna clear out these old and dead trees here. We're gonna leave this cherry, obviously. We're gonna try to clear out some of the things there, so we have space for a greenhouse on this side, which will probably be made, I don't know, in the future, like maybe next year, who knows, when we've got time. And meanwhile, we're gonna plant these fruit trees in these buckets. We're gonna plant them about there, so they will catch the sun from the south and they wouldn't block anything that I want to plant in this area right there. Little did boss Sam know that that was all gonna change, but then again, he didn't not expect it, I guess, and you'll see what changes.
Yeah.
Pretty. En dat is goed. Ik moet maar wat anders bij. Nou, hoor je het Paul mee. Op de pad leggen. En dan een potloodje maken. Maar. Jullie voor iets opleggen. Daar kunnen we ook iets opleggen, of niks. Je kunt het gewoon laten, want wij zitten nou dus een menu in te trekken. Nou, dat is iets maken. Dik. Zo, het moet bij het punt uitkomen, hè? Ja, dat weet ik. Doe echt met vlees. Niet even staan. Dat is wel heel veel. Komt er gewoon te doen. Hoe werkt het weg? Vlak. Ja, dat zien we niet. Prachtig.